Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 1500 liters model horizontal pedal type mixer for Chile client, our old client. For this mixer, the whole body we make it carbon steel, and we equipped a screw type feeder for this mixer. Let's take a run to see it. It is used to mix the material dry mixed mortar. This is a mixer and this is a screw feeder. In middle bottom is a manual control butterfly type discharging valve. And for the top part, we can see that we designed a pneumatic helped door for the check of the inside situation and a material feeding port, manhole port. Now the mixer and the screw feeder has been connected with electricity power. I would like to make a simple test for it. Let's focus on the cabinet panel. This is emergency stop button. I have released it. This is the wattage meter and meter. First, I start it. Now it works. This is the motor and the reducer. Now it works. I would like to go to the top part to see it. Stop it. Then we test this screw feeder. Also driven by the motor. Screw feeder. I start it. In this way, the raw material would be transferred via this hopper wire screw into the mixer. No problem. In this way, raw material transferred into mixer and mixed and put out from this discharging part. This is a simple test for this carbon steel blade type, pedal type mixer for Chile client. If you have any interest, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.